Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can filter data in Excel like professionals and fast. For example, I want to see our sales products according to region or according to person or even according to product. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, just select your data. Okay, then Control Shift L. You see directly scroll bars appears here. For example, I want to see my products according to region. Unselect all. For example, I want to see sales product according to South. Okay, you see in South, Diana, Henry, Leo, Paul, Salt tablet, smartphone, tablet, laptop, smartphone again. For example, I select all again. If I want to sales paper on allies according to a person, for Charlie, you see Charlie sold laptop, 10 laptop, about $8,000. Okay, select all again. For example, I want to see sales according to product. For example, uncheck this one, only select laptop. You can select tablet also. Okay, to remove filter, just select it and Control Shift L. Directly you remove the filter. That's all. Have a nice time.